These are the Christmas pyramids that Matt made for Christmas 2014. They're modeled from old-fashioned German Christmas pyramids, printed on the 3D printer, and then hand-painted. As you can see, the figurines. They're all that was my contribution, was to hand paint them. Oh, it's not focusing now. Let's move back a little bit. There we go. Now they're focused. My father designed made the design for the 3D printer based off of a wooden Christmas pyramid that he had at home. And then my husband took that design and printed them off and did a lot of the painting, and then I, of course, did the detail work. But we're pretty excited about our handmade Christmas pyramids.